Hey guys, so from last 8 months we are living and working from Manali and continuing our vacation from here. And like during this period we have stayed in three different places. Like right now the accommodation that where we are staying, it is our third one. And prior to this we have stayed at two different places, and all of these places had a fully equipped kitchen where we were able to cook our own food because you don't want to eat outside every day in a longer run. And also with COVID increasing every day, like you don't want to be going outside every day. So that is why like this was one of our requirements to have a fully functional kitchen. uh, like you get most of the things, like basic things which you need for your daily cooking. So we were able to do most of the basic recipes for our day-to-day needs, but one thing that we were missing was our mixer, or I would say blender. So sometimes you want some vegetables like which requires thick gravy where you require a mixer, and because you cannot carry everything for your vacation, and you cannot buy like each and everything which you already have at your location, like where you are permanently staying. So I was looking for a something portable blender, and I found this amazing product using an Instagram ad, and then I checked its YouTube videos, and I found it really promising. So it was costing like $50 and it was shipping from US. It was taking some time to get delivered, but yeah, like this is something that I wanted to order because like we can use it for making smoothies and shakes, as well as we can use it for making chutneys, sauces, and like gravy for vegetable. And the biggest thing is that it is portable, so we can carry it back with us like whenever we end our vacation. So I give it a try. So this is our kitchen where we are cooking our own food. This lockdown, at least like you don't have any other option other than cooking yourself. So we got this fully functional kitchen included in our stay, and we are able to cook comfortably. As you can see, Parul is cooking chapatis right now. We have vegetable ready. One thing that we used to miss is that we do not have a blender, or like I would say mixer, because of which like certain things we were not able to make. So the initial order that I placed was for a blender with blue color, and it arrived after 3.5 weeks. I wrote them an email describing my problem, and Blendjet, like they really treat customers really well, and instead of like asking me for any more details or anything, they just did a replacement order for me. And not just the original blender that I ordered, they included so many goodies with this replacement order. So these are freebies, like I didn't pay anything for this. And let me show you what I got in goodies. So this is a book, $20 or something. It contains like several recipes. So different recipes you can try using this book. But this is something I'm sure like you can find it online as well. But yeah, it is good to get something by the company itself. So they are not just promoting their blender, but they are also telling you how to use it, what are the different things that you can do with it. So the book is one thing that I have received. Another thing is this $14 pouch. So it is an insulation bag. So you can keep your blender into this. It's quite thick, like just like your laptop sleeve. It's going to protect your blender, and also it's going to keep it cool. And it also have here Blendjet branding on the top, and on the side you get a Blendjet logo. Okay, now this is something interesting that they sell in their website. Other than blender, you get these jet packs. So as the name says here, jet packs. So this is something ready to like blend. You can just add water maybe or milk, and you can get these drinks ready. So there are two different varieties of these jet packs, like I would say two different categories. One is like where you get your smoothies, and another one is like which are your protein smoothies. So I will just like separate them for you so that you see what are the different flavors which are available. They might have added some new flavors, but this is what they had on their website at the time of recording this video, which is like 15th of May. So this is a smoothie, this is protein smoothie, this is normal smoothie. So total 12 such jetpacks were there. So they added everything for free in this order, because I had to wait for long and then I found that okay, the product that I have received is broken. So it wasn't a very good experience, but they certainly made it a good experience by showing the customer obsession. And yeah, this is another smoothie. This is your protein smoothie. This is your mango smoothie. And this is your protein smoothie. So 6 different jet packs for protein smoothies, as you can see here. And we have 6 different smoothies which are made from real fruit. At least that is what the packaging says. And like I checked for their expiry dates, like how long they can last. So you can see here it says best by 2022. Yeah, March 2022. So you can store them for long. And also, like if you want to get into details, it is gluten free, vegan. I don't know what non-GMO is. It says it is good source of fiber and there is no artificial sugar in it. This is about the protein smoothies. The jet packs which are made with real fruit and not the protein ones, they have slightly less time like to use. So here it says best by November 2021. So we gotta use these first. And these cost like $4 per jet pack on their website, and it makes like one drink. Okay, so these are the smoothies that I have received. Now let's talk about the actual blender. So blender actually came in this box, and this is the Blendjet 2. The main difference between Blendjet 1 and Blendjet 2 is that it is bigger in size, and also it has a powerful motor, so it can crush a lot of things as compared to the Blendjet 1. And like this is certainly the reason that I got it for, because like we are doing a vacation from here. As you can see, many of the things we have already received, but certainly you cannot buy each and everything and then carry them back in your car. So we wanted to get something portable which we can take back, because these like mixies, blenders, these are something that you already have at home. You don't want to buy them again. So this was the main reason that I got this. So it is portable, and another good thing is that it is USB rechargeable. So it takes like around an hour to charge, and it lasts for 15 blends. And the best part that I've liked about this product is that it is self-cleaning. So I will show you like how to clean this. It's like very easy to clean. You just add some soap, do like blend it once, and then just put some clean water again, and then blend again. So twice you blend and you get clean mug. So here you get the Type-C cable, and now let me show you the blender. So this is the actual blender. This is what I ordered, black color. Yeah, next time like they added lots of padding in the back, so that like it doesn't get damaged when it is in shipping. And also one extra thing that they did in this order is, like earlier it came by DHL and then it was received by Indian Post, like it was delivered to me by Indian Post. But this time like it came by FedEx, and the last mile delivery was done by Tracon. So this packaging was like real nice. There was no damage to the product this time. And let me show you this blender. Like here you have your Type-C by which you can charge it, and this is the button like just to rotate, just to blend things. So it doesn't make a lot of noise, which is pretty good. And being portable and charging by Type-C is something like cherry on top. And like I'm using it from almost a month now, and I can tell you like it can do a lot of things. I'm going to add those details in my next video where I have used it for a lot of things. But talking about this product, like here you have like your battery and motor. This jar is like removable. You can remove it from here, just rotate it and it will come off. And then you have lid on top. So yeah, this is your Blendjet. So all these things like I received in my replacement order. Also, let me show you the original thing that I got. So basically this is the initial original blender that I got in my first order. So it was not of the same color which I ordered. As you can see, I ordered black and I got blue. And also it was broken, but somehow like I was able to manage it using Fevikwik. So it was broken from inside because of shipping. Probably it got damaged, which was like a rare scenario as per them. It normally doesn't happen, and I'm sure like it's a shipping thing which happened. It might be broken in my country or maybe like somewhere in transit. I don't know, but yeah, somehow like I was able to use Fevistick, and using that glue I was able to make it functional. So this is also working. So far I have not used the black one, but I'm gonna use both. So me and my wife, like, we will be sharing each for our own drinks. Yeah, Parul?
We are doing some different things. We are making chutney also. Crushing onions and tomatoes to make curry. I'm gonna try for blending oats as well.
Yeah, and one more thing that Parul does with these jars is, because they are like pretty big, 475 ml of jar that you get with this. So even if she's not blending, she's using to soak some things like oats and all. Like she put water and soak them and leave it overnight. So it is used as a jar as well, and maybe you can use it as a beer mug as well. You can absolutely do that. I mean, why not? Like, it's... And yeah, one thing that I forgot to mention earlier in this video, you get your markings here, and you get your marking in ml. So it's like 450 ml. You need to leave some space on the top so that it rotates. So if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel so that I can keep up with my motivation and can bring more such content for you. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.